London, Reuters, Martin Sorrell. A Euro trademark's departure from the world. A Euro trademark's biggest advertising company heralds change for his sprawling WPP empire and may accelerate a shake-up of the big ad groups that followed his lead. WPP and its major rivals Omnicom, Publicis, and IPG face challenges on every front, from the might of Google and Facebook, whom Sorrell famously dubbed a Euro or frenemies a Euro, to the rapidly encroaching consultants Accenture and Deloitte. With clients demanding ever lower fees, big advertising groups must learn to be more nimble and efficient to protect their revenues and avoid pressure on them to break up. A Euro I don't a Euro trademark T think this is the event that brings down the holding companies. A Euro industry advisor and MediaLink chief executive Michael Casson told Reuters. A Euro I do believe this is going to force everybody to rethink a Euro. Ad groups embark on their latest transformation without Sorrell, the godfather of the modern industry, who quit after 33 years over an investigation into misconduct. WPP does not plan to release results of the probe. He denies the allegations. The clear industry leader WPP employs 200,000 staff who offer advertising, branding, media buying, lobbying and data analytics via more than 400 separate companies. Sorrell built up the group since the 1980s. When he set out, elaborate television campaigns ruled. Complexity was added as the ad market moved online and become more fragmented. The structure he began with now looks dated. Several years of strong organic growth at WPP evaporated in 2017. In March, it said it did not expect to grow in 2018. But a Euro trademark's stock has fallen by a third in a year. FIS Aztec Analytics, a data provider, says 51 million of a Euro trademark's shares are on loan to short sellers, up from just 1 million a year ago. WPP valuation has slid to 9.9 times future earnings, compared with a FTSE average of 13.6 times, while its big three rivals still boast multiples of 12 to 14 times. Sorrell. A Euro trademark's resignation further dented a Euro trademark's share price, but the firm a Euro trademark's executives still say they are upbeat. A Euro I think some people might feel a bit liberated. A Euro Stephen Allen, who runs a Euro trademark's media buying agency Mediacom, told BBC Radio. Client pressure. WPP, the owner of agencies JWT and Ogilvy and Mather, has been hit hard by a reduction in spending from the world. A Euro trademark's biggest consumer goods groups, Unilever and Procter & Gamble, which complain about having to deal with a Euro trademark's multiple agencies. They also want more transparency in how ads are viewed, after an Association of National Advertisers report showed some ads were only seen by bots and many were not watched at all. P&G Chief Brand Officer Mark Pritchard said the media supply chain was a Euro murky at best and fraudulent at worst. A Euro, adding it was time to end the era of a Euro amid Mina Euro, referring to ad leaders in the 1960s credited with laying the foundations for the industry that Sorrell built on. Digital consultant Ian Maud said advertising agencies needed to provide creative services and strategies for planning and buying media space, all reinforced by data insight, public relations, and input on how a user shops and acts online. A Euro or ETH question is whether the holding companies are the right structure anymore and whether they can be turned into something that is nimble and agile in a reasonable timetable that is going to satisfy investors. A Euro, he said. Sorrell said in March WPP would accelerate plans to break down barriers between agencies to create a cohesive global team. That is not easy when many of them are run as individual entities competing with rivals inside and outside WPP. A Euro or EOP probably still has the best portfolio of assets. A Euro, said Brian Weiser at Pivotal Research. A Euro or at a Euro trademark's direction wasn't a Euro trademark T wrong. The problem was one of execution and articulation. A Euro. One group that is earning plaudits, however, is Publicis. Tech groups, independent agencies, and consultants have told Reuters the French group has a more joined-up offering. Run for decades by Sorrell. A Euro trademark's rival Maurice Levy, Publicis set out plans in March under its new boss Arthur Saydown to foster more collaboration between its agencies and to become a consulting and technology partner to global advertisers. Publicis on Thursday reported better than expected sales growth in the first quarter of this year. Omnicom, the biggest holding company in the United States, is also drawing together single teams from across its agencies to support individual clients. IPG, the fourth of the Big Four, has said it expects a stronger 2018 after a slow 2017. A tipping point a euro. Michael Farmer, author of the book Madison Avenue Manslaughter, says the holding companies need to stop accepting demands to produce more work for lower fees. He also said they need to compete more effectively for talent against firms such as Accenture. A tipping point has been reached, said Farmer, who works with advertising agencies and major brands such as Ford and Kraft on strategy. EOP is not growing. Mark Reed, BUPA Trademark SEO Chief Operating Officer since Sorrell Trademark's departure last weekend, told staff WPP needed to hold together. The Trademark's been speculation about breaking up the group. We don't Trademark believe this makes sense. He wrote in an email that was the first in the group Trademark's history to go directly to all WPP staff worldwide. We need to get closer together, not further apart. To improve their offering, the ad groups could start by being more transparent. Michael Moshinsky, previously of Saatchi, who now runs the agency London Advertising, said clients wanted to see more clearly how their money was spent. And some clients remain loyal. A marketing chief at one major packaged goods company, who asked not to be named, told Reuters that WPP provided a powerful service, wrapping data analytics and insight with its creative work that helped clients navigate changing markets. WPP must now make that kind of joined-up offering the norm if it is to avoid unraveling. But it will have to do this without Sorrell at the helm, which may prove tough. At Trademark's The Fall of an Emperor. David Jones, the former CEO of WPP Pierre Havas, told Reuters. That I think will not only take the empire down with him but will also have massive ramifications for that entire industry.